Good morning. This is May 27, 2020, Wednesday, 6:58 in the morning. This is going to be a quick recap of a video I did earlier on Boeing. Um, it looks like Boeing is doing pretty well here. Uh, in my last video, basically Boeing broke above this channel here. Broke above this triangle. About right here. So basically the strategy was that if Boeing break above this triangle to the upside, that we're gonna go long, and sure enough, Boeing broke above the 20, broke above the 50, and broke above the triangle here to the upside. So I'm looking pretty bullish here. Also on my RSI here, if you look at that right here, right there, right? So this resistance on the RSI here, there's some rejection right here, and then it broke above also, and then here looks like Boeing is doing pretty well on the RSI here. If you look on here, basically this is where it's going, right? So if it continues this pattern with the RSI here, or broke above the RSI, we're looking at 150, 160 there, right? So pre-market, Boeing is now at $149.29. All right, and so I bought some call option yesterday, right when market opens, shortly thereafter and stuff, and I think about 30 minutes into the market. I usually like to see how the market is gonna play out and stuff like that, but with Boeing, because of the gap up pre-market and things like that, the price actually went from 137 to about 145 something pre-market yesterday, and then this morning it pretty much price went up to about, I think the high now is 149.30. That would be the high pre-market today. So basically I took 10 call option, and then I added another 10 call option when the price dipped mid-morning there, and so I'm holding 20 call on Boeing at the 160 strike price there, and it's doing well. If you look at it this morning, almost $5 from yesterday's closing and stuff. So we'll see how that's gonna play out on the call option and stuff, but I'm happy with 20 calls. I should have gone 40, but 20 is a normal size for me. That's on the low end. 10, 20 calls on the low end, depending on the, obviously, the stock price and the option price, the premium. I think it was at right around $3 and stuff, and so at one point in time it dropped a little bit under $3, and I added another 10 calls, so my calls are pretty much under now with the average and stuff, probably right around 3, between 3 and probably 315, somewhere around there. So about another hour and 30 minutes, we'll see if Boeing will hold It's pre-market price. Let's go to the 5-minute chart and look at pre-market here. All right, so pre-market this morning 145, boom, all the way up to about 149, 149.34, somewhere around there. And it is, you can see a pretty much looks like a hammer candle right here. So on the uptrend with the hammer, it looks like it's heading towards $150 per share. So this is a quick summary. If you are in Boeing, either holding the stock or the call option, you will be happy this morning. All right, thanks for watching.